Okay, we're going to get a taste test on batch 142 that we brewed April 21st. Today's May 21st. It's been 1 month. It's all carved up, ready to go. This is a cherry beer, a cherry lime beer. We called Cherry Blast. And let's see what we got here. Pouring really nice. Here we go. Nice clean glass for a change. It's about time, eh? So we'll take this sample outside and we'll get a taste test on this. Why wouldn't I? She's a great looking beer. It's actually poured a little bit red. So yeah, let's get outdoors with this one. I think the wife is out here working anyway. Oh, the wind's gonna blow it around, and the table's not steady. So there's the cherry lime beer. We brewed on April 21st. Almost as an anniversary beer. We call it Cherry Blast. B-L-A-S-T. She was brewed with 9 pounds of German Munich. I got my sheet right here. 2 pounds of Marisada, a little coffee malt, 2 ounces, 8 ounces of red wheat, 2.5 ounces of chocolate malt, and 2 pounds of two-row, plus 49 ounces of Vineyards cherry puree, dark cherry puree, and 1 ounce of lime zest, dried lime zest from LD Carlson. And I don't use it that often, so let's get a taste test on this. Oh, the smell is the head faded away quick, but it started out as a 2-finger head and then just faded into nothing. It looks like it's got some beautiful lacing. Oh, it smells creamy. That's all I can say is creamy smell. So on with the taste test. My nose don't work properly. I got issues there. Nose don't have to work as long as the taste buds work. Right off the bat, I get a little chocolatey cherry, like a dark chocolate cherry that you get, those cherries that you buy with the cherry inside. Creamy mouthfeel. The hops were Citra and Cascade. 3 ounces of my homegrown Cascade hops at the end. 2 ounces, 0.5 ounces of Citra at the beginning. First 15 minutes. There was my sheet. I don't need it no more because I don't read cue cards like certain person that plays our president does. His camera's shaking all over in the wind. So back to the taste test. The smell is just creamy and slightly coffee, because there's 2 ounces of coffee grounds in here, or coffee malt. The color is, in the right light, it looks a little red. Out here it looks a little brown. So carbonation is up there just at the, like I say, it was done on April 21st, and today is actually May 21st. Go figure on that one. How you doing? How you doing? I'm doing pretty good. I guess these are going to go down pretty good. 6.48%. Might as well round it up to 6.5. What else would you say about that? I just got done brewing another one. It's in the fermenter. It's a cherry beer. It doesn't have the lime. It's a little different recipe, so I can't wait till that one's done, because we do love our cherries around here. Not growing any, but we do love them. But our grapes.
I do get the cherry. I really don't pick up on the lime too much.
I don't pick up on any of the lime.
But
I did brew a beer which I considered, I think it was an IPA, and I added my own lime zest to it, and it was really prevalent that the lime was prevalent because we added 8 ounces of fresh lime zest. In this case, it was only 1 ounce. So yeah, you're not going to pick up on much of that, including your vocals. So I guess that's all I can say about it. I'm not a good beer reviewer. I am a good beer drinker. I can usually keep up with the best of them, whatever the best of them is ours. Never was good at that language. Boy, I got a lot of editing to do in this. I guess I'll just let it go for the full nutness. Speaking of nutness, there is a little slight nutness in here, and I attribute that to the 2 pounds of Maris Otter. How you doing on that one? Maris Otter gives a nice bready, nutty flavor. So I'm going to let it warm up out here on this beautiful May day. And if I got anything else to say about it, I'll come back and turn the camera back on. But otherwise, browse.